guys, this is a dumbbell incline bench. Okay, same setup as the flat bench. I'm gonna pick it up off the ground here, butt down, chest up. 1, 2, sit down. Okay, right about the mid quad here, right? Because we want to be able to make this as easy as possible for us. We don't want to exert any unnecessary energy. If we try to kick these back up and try to balance them out, we're just exerting extra energy that's not being put into the movement. Okay, so big breath, get set. We'll do 1, 2, and then we're set. With incline, I like to do one at a time because we're at an angle, so it's a little bit harder to stabilize. Same angle here with the hands, same arch in the back, glutes are tight, feet are firm on the ground. Shoulders are depressed. Up, knees up. Now we're nice and re-racked. And then that is the dumbbell incline bench.